Kids drawing and learn.
Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Violet color, pink color, light pink color, olive color, gold color, orange color, light green color, light blue color, red color, and blue color. Now let's start small letter alphabets. A. A is for aunt. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jam. K. K is for kite. L. L is for lion. M. M is for mouth. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pear. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for sun. T. T is for train. U. U is for unicorn. V. V is for violin. W. W is for water. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zigzag. A, B, C, D, E, F, G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Hello guys, see you next video. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.